Good evening, sir. Tonight I'll be your waiter. Are you ready for me to now take your order?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'll go for the house special.
Certainly.
So that's the chef surprise.
Okay.
Please, with a glass of water.
Is there anything else that you want?
No, that'll be all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'll be right back with your order.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you. Okay, here's your chef's surprise.
Wow.
Glass of
That came
water.
really fast. Thanks.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Is everything okay with your meal, sir?
Whoa, no. Well, everything's fine. Thank you. Everything's fine.
Pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your meal.
Waiter!
What is it, sir?
This bird is still alive.
Earlier you confirmed everything was okay.
I want my meal cooked! Not live, not raw, cooked!
Okay. I'll sort the problem out.
Just want some decent food around here! Now, was that so difficult? Really? How could anyone think of serving a house special chef surprise with a live bird? It's just stupid! What is this? You expect me to cook my own meal now? What kind of place is this? Like, you order food?